Hello iPhone users, so how do you turn your keyboard into trackpad? Let's do it together. For that you have to go to your WhatsApp or anywhere where you can type. So like right now, just to show you, I have got this paragraph from Meta AI, and now see, if you want your that line to go anywhere you want, right? You don't have to tap it one by one here and there, or just tap on it, hold it and slide it, right? And it can cause many problems also, like delete or anything. So for that, what we do, we have a space bar on the keyboard, right? You tap on it and you hold it and you see the movement done by you. That movement, it will easily slide up and down however you want, right? And it's very quick and simple to do without any error or delete or any other selection randomly, which happens when we do normally. But with this, the cursor will move anywhere you want smoothly and swiftly. So this is a very quick hack, very easy to do, right? And yeah, that's how we do it. You can do it when you are writing long text, etc. Just tap on the space bar and slide it up and down however you want. That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da.